Hello everyone. Today we are going to see AKRIVIA HCM on-campus placement questions which was held on 19th September 2024 in a college with 10 to 12 LPA per annum. And the first round consists of 4 coding questions in any language and it is fully 75 minutes. The exam was held on 19th September 2024 and those questions which I was discussing right now. The first question is check if a string is a subsequence of another string. Okay, given two strings A and B and the task is to determine if a string is a subsequence of string B. A subsequence is a sequence that appears in a same relative order, not necessarily consequently. For example, if a string is ABC and another string is AHBGDC. Okay, now ABC is a subsequence of this string because after A B has occurred, after B C has occurred. In the same way, after A B has occurred, after B C has occurred. Okay, after A B and then C in the same order, but they might not be consequent, but they are in the same order. That is the thing with string subsequence. So you should find whether a string is subsequence of the another. If it is, then return true, otherwise return false. See, ABC is not a subsequence of AXC because after A there is no B. Okay, that is the thing with first problem. And here is the code for this. See, let us initialize two pointers I equals to 0 and j equals to 0, and you are given with two strings a and b. Let run a while loop. I is less than a first string length and as well as and j is should be less than the b string length. Now if the first string character at ith index is equals to second string at jth index, then if they are equal, then you should increment the pointer with first element if they are equal only. If they are not, then you should increment the second string character, because see here ABC and AHBGDC, this is the first string and this is the second string. For this string you are running I pointer, and for this j pointer. Here A and A are equal, so we should shift I plus plus. Okay, then I is here and j is here. They are not equal, so you should increment j pointer, j plus plus. B and H are not equal, again j plus plus. Here B and B are equal, so I plus plus. This will be incremented. Now C, I is at C and j is at B. Again C and B are not equal, j plus plus. G, then C and G not equal, again j plus plus. Now C and C are equal, so it is out of loop as j crossed the second string length. So then if it satisfies, then you should produce an output of true. Here is the entire code. Once have a clear look on it. Okay, this is the procedure. If they are equal, you should increment the first string pointer. If they are not equal, then you should move the second pointer. If they are if until and unless they are satisfying this condition. If they don't satisfy this condition, you will be out of this while loop and you will return the length. You will store the ith length and you return it to this you return it. Okay, here are the string examples, and subsequence method is called or here. This returning will be given to here and it will print an output. If it satisfies, then it will return true, otherwise false. Okay, it is compiled and run in GDB online compiler, so it is a correct program and you can follow this. Okay. Then I think you are good with this first question. Now going to second question. Okay, here is the problem. Find a triplet in an array that adds up to a given sum k. Okay, given an array of integer array and a integer k, the task is to find a triplet in an array whose sum is equals to k. If such that triplet exists, return it, otherwise return none. See, for a clear idea, let us see an example, or let us see the program. Okay, you are given an input of array and a k value, that is sum. Okay, now you should find any three numbers so that their addition should give this target. Okay, now as it is a Java program, the program starts from main method and you are given with an array and a k value of 22. Now you are calling a function find triplet sum and you are giving input of array and k value and you are storing that output in a result. Now going to this method, here you are given with an array and the k. Okay, now first you should sort the arrays dot sort by using a method arrays dot sort of array. Then you should find the length of this array. Okay, why are we sorting this array means we should get the triplet sum. Okay, triplet sum, it might be useful if you sort it. You can understand while you are going into this problem. It is compiled successfully in GDB online compiler with no errors, and you are found with this output also. Once have a clear idea. If you got any doubt, please pause the video and note down the code. Okay. You are given with an array and a k sum, target sum. Now first step is that to sort the array and to find the length of the array. Now run the two pointers. Okay, now run the two pointers, left pointer and right pointer. Left pointer is at the index of I plus 1. I is initially 0, left pointer is at I plus 1, and right pointer is traveling from backwards n minus 1 length. Okay, until and unless left is less than right, the while loop moves on. Okay, while loop moves on. While loop moves on, and the inner condition is current sum. How we are calculating the current sum is array of I. That means initially the index is at 0, plus left is I plus 1 and right is n minus 1. Okay, once wait. Okay, here at 1 our I pointer is, and this is the left, that is I plus 1, and right pointer is at this position at 8. Now you are adding 1 plus 4 plus 8. After addition of these three, you will get what? This is 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 8 13. Okay, 13. It is less than our target sum. If the current sum is less than the target sum, then you should increment the left pointer. If the current sum is greater than the target sum, then you should decrement the right pointer. If they are equal, then you should return the triplet. Array of I, array of left, array of right. I hope you understand. See, you are maintaining three pointers. The first pointer I is initialized at 0, second pointer is at left pointer, that is I plus 1, and third pointer is right pointer, that is n minus 1. Okay, by adding these three, if you got the sum less than the target sum, then you should increment the left pointer. If you got greater sum than the target sum, then you should decrement the right pointer. If they are equal, then you will written it. Once if you work it on a with a paper and pen, then you will get a clear idea. This is the logic. If not, you will written the null. Okay, this is the thing with second question. Okay, going to the third question. You can find this question in a website. If you type it in a Chrome, raw and sweets, here is the question. Okay, I don't have a clear idea on this question, but few of my friends have told me that this question was given, so I prepared it for you. Once pause this video and go through this question so that you can get an idea, or take a screenshot. Okay, this is the first part of the question, and second part of the question is here. This is the input and this is the output. You should print an integer r in a single line, and you are given the sweetness level of a sweet and quality of that sweet. Okay, once read the question and understand it. If not, Google it, or you can access ChatGPT too. It will give an answer. This is the question. A few of my friends have informed me that this question has given. Okay, that's why I prepared this. Okay, this is the question. Please take a screenshot and Google it, or have a help of ChatGPT. Okay, here is the sample input for this code. This is the sample input and this is the sample output, and explanation also has given. Please have a look on this. Okay, this is the third question. Third question is also I don't have a complete idea on it, but you can get when you see this question. Okay, yes, I got an idea. See, you are given a two strings str1 and str2, and you are given with a question mark. Okay, now you should fill that question mark, and you should find we need to count how many swabs are necessary to make these two strings are identical. Okay, this is the question. Okay, first fill the question mark with for the first step is that fill the question mark with any of the alphabet and find the number of minimum swabs so that the strings can be identical. Once read the question, then you can get a clear idea. Okay, you should find the minimum number of swabs after filling the question mark and compare the two strings. Okay, this is the actually this is the fourth question. This is the fourth question, and the previous one is the third question. Okay, this is fourth question. This is fourth question. Okay, actually in the exam is for 75 minutes with 4 coding questions. These are the questions which were given on 19th September 2024. Okay, I have prepared. Again, my next video will be AKRIVIA HCM on campus placement questions only. That was held on today, 20th September 2024. I will soon do the video on it. If you like this video and if you feel that it is with a content, then please subscribe and like and share the video. Okay, these I found the solutions for these two, and these are successfully run on online GDB compiler. Okay, and third and fourth question, find yourself the answers. If you find them, please comment in the comment section so that it can help your friends too. Thank you.